Hello everyone, my name is Harshil Chadda, pursuing Bachelor of Engineering from Model Institute of Engineering and Technology as a third-year student in Electronics and Communication branch. I, along with my team members Vishali, Surbhi and Akriti, have prepared PowerPoint presentation on the proposed idea of our project. The proposed idea of our project is sanitizing robot. Overview. Firstly, we all know that in recent time, interior as well as exterior cleaning has become an important factor of our life. Cleaning of the waste is very much important, and cleaning by using sanitizing robotic map reduces manpower requirement. In colleges, hospitals and other places, cleaning and sanitization is regularly required. Objectives: to develop a machine that helps in quick and easy sanitizing and cleaning, to reduce human efforts and time, to beautify the floor, to remove the allergies, to make the environment sanitary, to prevent injuries due to tripping or slipping. Injuries due to slip or trip on floor levels are a major cause of accidental injuries. According to the proposed block diagram of our project, we are planning to use some hardware and software components. Like in hardware, we are using ultrasonic sensor, which is an electronic sensor that measures the distance of a target object by emitting ultrasonic sound waves and convert the reflected sound into electrical signal. Secondly, we are using infrared sensors, which can detect the electromagnetic radiation that humans perceive as heat. Thirdly, we are using DC servo motor, which is a rotatory actuator or linear actuator that allows for precise control of angular or linear position, velocity and acceleration. Besides them, we are also using other hardware components, and they have been arranged in a such manner that they perform their working. Required components. These are the following hardware and software components which we are going to use in our project: ESP32, Arduino Mega, ultrasonic sensors, IR sensors, servo motor, stepper motor, DC gear motor, battery display, mapping ability sensor, DC to DC converter. These are the hardware components which we are going to use. As far as software is concerned, we are using Embedded C Arduino IDE Maker to program microcontroller. Now comes the features. What features we are going to add in our project? In case of sanitization, the features are added in such a way that the robot will develop to spray disinfectant to sanitize floor and equipments located in its vicinity. The robot will be able to clean and sanitize the floor as well as staircase. It will have a nozzle attachment to a sanitizer dispenser that sprays at regular interval after sensing. The lockout mode of sense and spray is for 20 minutes. When in lockout mode, the sensors are off and the unit will not automatically spray. After the lockout mode, time has expired, the unit is again ready to sense motion automatically. Spray sanitize the door, window and other kinds of surfaces. Now the applications. The applications are: the robot can sanitize and clean the floor surface automatically. Much helpful for elder people as well as for those who are unable to work due to physical disabilities. The sanitizing robotic mop can be operated by just sitting at one place to clean the all locations. The sanitizing robotic mop make cleaner easier and make our environment healthy and hygienic. In case in hospitals, malls and in every commercial area, there is a great need of such kind of sanitizing robotic mop. To conclude, we can say that the project is used for the betterment of society, as it is very much helpful for elder people and for those people who are having physical disabilities. At last, to conclude, I would like to say that it will be a very promising and useful product in the complete scenario concerned. Thank you.